Hello and welcome to I Am Cat. Well, Grandma's watching TV again. This is her computer. Yes, I know, it's... what is it? 0426, I think? Oh yeah, it was. So, Granny has some cook recipes, which is zipped, so we don't know. This is her friends folder. She has some questionable stuff like that in it. Granny, I got a throwing knife at you. I'm sorry. No, I don't. No. Die. I'm terrible at throwing, aren't I? Yeah, pushed her. Pushed her and she fell. I'm just gonna slide this into your leg. It'd be okay if you can hold this. Is it okay if your leg can hold that? Thank you. But now, what's this? Oh my god! She came towards me. Where did the knife go? Over here? If I look away, once, she will be after me. My XY. How do I do this? Come on, come here. Come on, I'm gonna have to stab you. Right. Come on, this knife isn't going into you. Grandma, you're broken. I'm gonna have to. Oh, perfect. I'm risking it all here. Yeah! But she's not respawning. Did I fully kill her? And then, I fully broke Grandma. Oh no, she's awake. There goes my cat. Oh, that's the promotion for one of the other games called I Am Security. Grandma's flash drive, which I know what's on here. I'm afraid to show it. That's why I'm always going to be doing this. Okay, I can look down while doing it because I'm Let's hit this button, and then we just look down for the rest of this. Oh, for God's sake. Cat, stop it. Listen. We have a password. I think it was 605. What do you mean? It literally is that up there. I don't know if this is a bug. It's 605. So now I need to eject the USB. Just like that. Now you know exactly where this is going. Oh, so I need to cook some fish. Me hungry. Grandma, so slapped. Oh, you found top. Come with me. You're coming with me, Grandma. Whee! Come on. Come with me. Come. Chin down. Where did I put the knife, actually? Lucky I can climb the counter. Lucky there's some bread here to make a fish sandwich. Lucky I know specifically fishes, but I don't want to cook. Then actually have the fish one at the fish tank. Grandma is not mad at me. Good. While that toaster's cooking, let's fry. I am so glad that plate did not break. So I gotta actually, for once, look, they get to it, I think. Right, they go. Go on. No, 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 this is not possible. I got it. I got Grandma's goldfish. She has the attention span of goldfish. No, I'm not going to matter eat him. I'm going to cook him in a nice manner. But first things first, washing the water off of him. I failed that so badly. Put it in. Rinse the water. You shall live. Imagine just putting him in the water. It makes him just start flying. This fish flying. It doesn't. I'm not sorry. Drown. How do I drown a fish? I know that sounds really silly. Let be. Don't mind it. Get. That's it. I'm cooking you alive. I was gonna kill you. I was gonna do it better, but on. Like they say, everything on before you cook. Gotta prepare everything. There we go. No, get off. No, he's cooking. I see his texture has changed. Hey. No, just. Ooh. Shoes and eggs. Now we put him in the pan. Now we cook him. To Grandma to eat, of course, not us. No, get it off. Looks yummy. Just gonna cut the things off. Lucky we can't eat it. I think you can adjust these hobs. Grandma, where's your butter knife? Do you have even butter? Damn, this fish like rock. This fish is like a rock. Damn. Let's put a knife in the toaster. Oof. Oh my god. And we push. That knife's about, that toaster's about to explode. Grandma, there's a knife if you really want it. I made a fish sandwich, right? Yummy! My fish sandwich looks absolutely horrible. Oh yeah, I broke a pot. I forgot about that before recording. I broke a pot. You can see she does not care. But let's go. Oh yeah, the USB still in the tank. Let's go up. So that counts up there. While destroying anything that's in our pie. And slash path. Oof, she's with the pan. I forgot she comes after me. She comes after you if you don't. No, Grandma, I can't hold on. Haha. I'm baking stuff and you don't care. You can't get me. Oh, balloon. Now she's deaf. Damn you. Oh my god, she got the fun pan out again. Come on, I need to make a payment. That's okay. You only have 12 coins though. Isn't that great? Well, Grandma, I'm sure you don't need like tens of thousands of books up here. Clear some space for the cat, will ya? How do I get a book over there? I think Grandma's broken. No, she's starting to sit. Cat TV. Nash. I was not supposed to be that. That was, oh god. That was a model of me, I think. I think that was a statue. I don't know. Well, whatever it is dead now. Well, broken, I meant. Of course, I wouldn't kill anything. Well, fish I cooked because I was hungry, but then I decided that a fish and sandwich did not taste nice. So I decided to throw it on the floor. Anyways. Oh no, she's coming. Haha! I'm gonna make a payment with your frying pan, and that's a donk in the head. Next stuff's over there, then to the kitchen. I haven't destroyed anything over here yet. I still have that plant on that. Have this plant. You can't do a thing. Grandma can't do a thing. Cause she's dumb. Grandma's a silly grandma. She can't look upstairs either. Oh yeah, the robot. Oh well. Poor robot. Sparky. Poor Now, here's where it gets trickier. Because oh gosh! The toaster's broken, Grandma. You need to fix your toaster. I can still hear it going off. I don't know. You don't have to do that, but just about time, isn't it? It's been 10 hours. Been 10 hours, like it says on my watch. 10 hours, Grandma. You know how long 10 hours is? A while. It's a while to wait. And that time I probably should have done the upstairs. Oh, God. There we go. I'm just starting to destroy Grandma's. She didn't even care about that one. Push off, push all the books off. Grandma, they're too high for you to get them. So with these trophies, I think they'll be better. I think they deserve to be down there. It's the highest shelf, and there's nothing from here up. There's stuff over there that I can break, like the bottle. She's got the frying pan. No, she isn't. She had the remote. Can I break the clock? No, I don't think I can. You can? I think she's coming. So I am going to just in case. Oh my God! That has to be one of the. Oh my God! You can see my skid marks where I skidded. No, there's a USB still in there. She still hasn't got that one out. My hand's stuck. There we go. Time to move on. Is that toaster seriously still going? Yeah, because it's stuck. Here you go. Yeah. Yeah, if it gets touched or moved, it does that, I think. Yeah! Still went off. The toaster went up white. Whoa! It's spinning. It's swinging. Now, Grandma, you don't mind if I bake a cup or two, really? In fact, I need to bake these all at the same time. So if I line them up one by one, all the places there, I will be able to have a chain reaction of them flying off the counter by the frying pan that's up there. It's so funny. The house is completely trashed. Not upstairs though. Upstairs I haven't done. I have the mug. He knows what I'm doing. Hope none of the others fly off, because they're really bad. And then I have to knock all the others off. Oh, I must turning on the TV. The son of mine's phone on the floor. She didn't hear it. Shouldn't hear. We can go on a spree. Just break the dishes. She's deaf. I forgot. She is literally basically deaf. She's coming. Shouldn't hear it. Oh man, my cat plate. My fat cat plate. I'm sorry. She heard that. She heard that one. Come on. Fight me. Fight me, old woman. That's it. You can't get me. What was that glitch? Oh my god. What time is it? 10:49, jeez. It's 12:49. You've got 2 hours. Let's come over to the dishes. I'm going to put metal in the microwave. You know what they say? Never put metal in the microwave. No, this isn't. I don't think this will be accurate, but if I can grab the knife, there we go. Probably explode. Now they would actually explode because the metal would heat up. I think. I'd never actually tried it. So I'm just thinking, oh mate, no, it didn't explode. Okay, that's good. Grandma, can you at least get away so I can wax, so I can break stuff? Why does it always do that to me? And now I'm stuck because there's nothing there. But then I have to hit the across menu and come back. There we go. Hands back. Oh, she heard that. Please say this. She can't hear me here. I'm too far. I'm taking a really big risk here. Okay, in the corner I'm good. I don't know about you. Hey. She don't care. She an old woman. She old. Wait, there's already a plate on the floor? Once I put a fork in the microwave, that would explode as well. Oh my god. Where'd my hand go? Oh, there's my hand. Let's say, where did my hand go? So, when she's watching TV, she theoretically won't see this. Oh, I threw a knife at her. Nope, I missed. Oh, shoot. Oh, but I'm just... What do you mean? Is she deaf? Yeah, I don't think she was. Oh my god, Duke! No! No! Come on, no! Grandma hit me with the frying pan. And then I get knocked out for like 10 hours. There we go. Oh look, it's 12:49. Full Grandma killed me. If for some reason that button doesn't work, but the button on the inside works. So you can just... No! It's time too far and I can't... Oh, I'm ridiculously low, hang on. It's supposed to be like this high. Not this low. Why am I this slow all of a sudden? I was like up here. No, I can't reach it. Okay. Well, okay, there we go. Oh, I just hit myself. I've re-heighted myself. You know, I'm gonna give Granny a new gaming setup. Where In fact, the monitor theoretically won't exist. So the monitor will be over in the kitchen. That's if I can get over there. Oh, there's only one way to find out. I can grab the bottom. Well, very funny if this actually connects. Wave at me. Wave at me or I'm throwing this at you. You're not waving at me. I can't throw this at all. My aim is terrible. Look, we can now watch some oh my god. Now we can watch some I Am Cat videos from other YouTubers. I won't actually put on the screen. This one, I don't know if my editing software is that good for that. And for 2, why is this monitor not coming up? And 3, I have no idea how to overlap green screen. If I can actually get any. So, the monitor is in the kitchen. Where do we put the dead monitor? It's ridiculously big. Well, I'm glad you said that. If you did, if you didn't, well. Oh well. We're gonna have to break this piece of pottery. Which she didn't hear because she didn't care about it. She didn't care about a bit of pottery. Hope that she's not coming to expect this because she never comes in the kitchen. Never. Never. Usually when I'm asleep, I don't realise she's cooking. So maybe I need to catch her by surprise when she's in her cooking folder. To then find out what the passcode is. Anyways, now we can watch some YouTube videos while we're cooking. I was going to actually pounce up at her then I decided not to. So we are going to keep the keyboard. It's my movement hand. Come on, wave at me. I'm going to have to do it this way. Yay! I got a wave. Otherwise this keyboard would be in our face. And I'm not joking. Hey! Oh, the keyboard's... What the... Ah, I've fallen. I've seen myself, I've fallen. Off the countertop. Did it actually put in the key bindings or no? I don't think it did. I'll just hit something. Something. That's a cute one. Now we need to get the mouse. Should we watch on TV again? Damn, that cat cute. I'm actually wanting to throw this mouse at Granny. No apparent reason. Because I just want to. Granny, I have a mouse. Do you like my mouse? Hello, I'm stranded. Aren't you? Now she's knocked out. And she better stay knocked out. Since she's watching you. Some TV. Oh no. She just got up, looked round, sat down. I whacked her in the face. Today. Like it feels like at the end of the day I could see like what I did today. Like today I hit Grandma in the face. She did not care. Notable accomplishment. I hit Granny in the face. Hang on, you can... Hang on, let me just put the mouse down. Yeah, there's a specific drawer. Was it this one? You could... Yeah, here, look. You can see through. It's weird. Like, really, really weird. Anyways, I might as well go get Grandma's USB. Let's just cook. I'm sorry. Oh, I know what plank's playing, Granny. Cook all our bread. Can... Meow. I'm a cat. Gonna do some stuff. I'm a cat. Don't know how to blackmail. I'm gonna email Nanny. I tried to say Granny, but I ended up saying Nanny. I think Granny, not. I mean, she could be a nanny. She had some children. Oh, I actually thought it spawned over there because I couldn't see it. Anyways. Is it in? No, but what is the monitor's dancing? How did I get the bread in my mouth? I also now can't exit that screen, because if it does, I could get demonetized. I possibly could. I'm not saying I will, but most of the time. If you can like and subscribe for this bread is... Wait. Hang on. Oh my god, you can lift that up, I didn't know that. I'm just... Oh my god, if you can like and subscribe before this toast cooks, you are really good. Let's show what's to me. If you did like and subscribe in that time, congratulations. If not, well, you can try again. With this set of bread, which I'm going to set a timer, another timer. I mean, if you've already done, you can try again, but it'll just be longer. I think that toast may burn. Why is that going quicker? That went quicker. I actually speed up the ends because I didn't want the toast to burn. Anyways, if you didn't do it that time, then you can do it now. If you don't want to, that's fine. If you did do it, show some support to me. Push! Push! There we go. This is me, the best way to prank Granny, man. Best way to prank Granny. Switch all her bread out for toast. Easy. All she needs to do is reheat it in the microwave. She's done. Oh my god, that piece of bread was so excited. I probably will have an unedited version of... Oh god. Ah, there's bread in my mouth. I probably will have an unedited version of this somewhere on my YouTube channel before I actually posted the edited one. So, if you want to see that, then you'll probably actually see this one first, possibly, depending on how you watch it. I'd say you watch the... I mean, it depends which one this is. If you're watching it, could be the edited or unedited. The time isn't even set. I mean, it depends which one you're... You know... If you're watching the edited version or the unedited version, I mean, you can watch the edited version before the unedited. Actually, no, you could watch... actually, I'll just refer to it now as behind the scenes, which basically shows all the stuff. I mean, most of the funny stuff will still be in, but this would just probably be this red bit probably be cut out, and we'll just have this bit, and then it'll cut to that bit, of course. But all the bit's done. It's actually taking like 10 minutes just to do the bread. It's taking like 10 minutes. Please don't burn. Okay, I'm glad that didn't burn at the end then. So now I am replacing all of Granny's bread with toast. Maybe better than that version. Get in! Why won't you fit? It's a much oh god. I've really got to put this bread in, then I'm gonna end the video. Most it ain't doing too good, it's low. I know this hasn't done anything like I've done before with the tutorial videos in Wobbly Life about how to get different cars. I mean, you should go check them out if you have the game. Or if not, you just wanted to see what content I have, then they're the only two videos I have posted in over a month. In fact, over 3 months. Probably 6 months now. Probably a year now. I think probably around a year. My channel's been out and haven't done a video. I did 2 videos in one day, and I haven't done anything. See, look, I took up less space than Granny can ever take. Look how good I am. So, I'm gonna play the first one that actually you do. So. And that would be about it for the video. So if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.